Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be talking about some of my favorite drugstore priced or brand lashes, false lashes. I love a good lash, I love a good deal, and I think that drugstore brands or drugstore priced lashes can be just as wonderful and beautiful as very expensive lashes. So I'm going to go over some of these more affordable options out there if you are new to lashes or if you're looking for lashes on a budget or any of those things. These are great places to start. These are just my favorites. I personally think that they're the best. That's just a personal opinion. But yeah, let's get started. So, my first all-time favorite are these Ioni 3D faux mink lashes. So, my husband just bought me a whole display for my birthday. They come in about 16 styles. They are $1 each. This brand is like exclusively made for the Dollar Tree, so you can find them in most Dollar Trees. The problem is that a lot of Dollar Trees do not carry these in stock regularly. I know my Dollar Trees do not. You can actually buy select styles on DollarTree.com. However, Dollar Tree online only sells in bulk. So you have to buy a case of them, which is like 24 or 36 pairs, and you only get one style, and they only offer a couple styles. However, the whole display itself offers 16 different styles, ranging from very light and natural, like these natural doll lights, all the way to medium styles, which are these wispy, spiky lashes, and very dramatic styles, which is this wispy, dramatic flare. They have even more full, even more natural lashes and things like that. I'll try to insert a clip of the actual lash bar itself. For $1, you really cannot beat how quality these lashes are. They look like very expensive lashes. The fact that they offer so many different styles for $1 is crazy to me. The band is nice and thin and very flexible, so they are easy to manage. Also, if you're just starting out with lashes, you don't want to be spending a lot of money on lashes when you are just learning how to glue them to your eye and get them stuck. So the Ioni 3D faux mink lashes are by far my favorite and probably what I'm going to be using for quite some time. They're actually what I'm wearing in this video, and they're what I wear in most of my Instagram pictures as well. They just look, and they just look amazing. They're easy to work with. You really can't go wrong with them. The second brand, or the second type of lash that I'm going to talk about, is from a brand called Alter Ego. This is a dupes brand. They are online. I don't think that they're carried in any stores. Don't quote me on that. I don't think they are, though. I think they're entirely online. Their lashes go for $5 each. It comes in 8 styles. I do have a discount code that I'll put in the description box if you're interested. My personal favorites from them are these Amar. These flare out and from small to long. They just look so romantic on the eyes, and they just really look so beautiful and flattering on most eye shapes, this type of flare out lash. These are super full. They do have a rather thick band. The lashes are very nice, and they do not shed a lot. So you are going to get quite a few uses out of these for your $5. I really like these eyelashes. Alter Ego also offers some dupe palettes. They're very nice as well. I have the Temptress palette. It's a dupe for the Sultry palette. It's very nice. They have a lot of nice quality products, but their lashes for $5, you cannot beat it. However, again, the downside, they are only online. Getting into more widely available drugstore brands that I really like are these Kiss blowout lashes. They come in Page Boy and Pompadour. I think there might be a couple of other styles, but in the multi-packs, it's Page Boy, and pompadour. I actually got these at Marshall's. You can find these multi-packs at Marshall's and TJ Maxx for like $5.99. Originally the multi-packs are like $11.99, so $12 for 4 pairs of lashes, which isn't that bad. What I like about the Kiss lashes in general, because I also like their Look So Natural lashes as well, the band on the Kiss lashes is very, 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 very thin. I love that. Their lashes too, the actual lash part of them are very, very wispy. They're very, very natural looking. When you place them on top of your own lashes, they look seamless. Anyone who is starting out on lashes, I will always suggest the Kiss Look So Natural or the Blowout lashes to you because they're easy to work with, they look very natural, and they're not very heavy on the eye. With that being said, the Kiss Couture lashes, they're very dramatic and the band is very, very thick. So just make sure that whenever you are getting the actual lash, you're making sure that you're getting the right like sub-brand within the brand. Kiss lashes, again, highly recommend. They range anywhere from like $4 to $12.99. It just depends on where you buy them, if they're on sale, you know, if you're getting a single pair versus a multi-pack. But you can also find the multi-packs a lot at TJ Maxx and Marshall's. Really, really like these. They also photograph really well, so you don't have to worry about like flash flaring off of them or anything like that. So, the last brand that I'm going to talk about is Ardell. Probably most people have heard and or seen of Ardell, and I feel like a lot of people give Ardell, like, when you switch over into like more name brand lashes, I feel like people give Ardell kind of like a bad rap, like, oh, you know, I used to use Ardell lashes. I personally think that Ardell lashes look very, very nice, and they're very easy to use. They're one style, the wispies or the demi wispies, are very, very popular, and they actually look very natural. The demi wispies especially look very natural on the eye, so if you're looking for a lash that's like for every day, that's very light, the band is pretty thin. The only thing that I will say about some of the Ardell faux mink lashes is the band is a little flat and thick, and it's hard to work with compared to the wispy lashes and things like that. Their prices range anywhere from $5.99 to $11.99 depending on if you're getting a single pair or a multi-pack. You can also find these multi-packs at Marshall's and TJ Maxx for like $5.99. But I think Ardell lashes are affordable, they're quality, I haven't had much of an issue with them, and they do photograph really nicely. You're not going to get any like flashback on them or anything like that. So yeah, they're just a brand that I really like. Would I recommend Kiss over Ardell? Probably. I prefer the Kiss lashes more than the Ardell. I think that the Kiss lashes are a little bit more affordable, and I think they're a little bit easier to use. However, Ardell offers more styles. So just keep that in mind. That's it for the actual drugstore brands, like affordability lashes that I prefer. Now let's talk about glue for like a hot second before we wrap this video up. Hands down, a brush glue is my preferred method. I think it's so much better than like the squeezy tube of lash glue. Personally, I also think that like a squeeze tube of glue gets really messy and dries out, and it's hard to apply to the lashes itself, so I prefer a brush tip. Also, the Duo squeeze glue smells terrible. It's disgusting, so I would not recommend it to anybody. The brush on lash adhesive usually comes in clear, white, and black. I don't like black lash glue adhesive. I always buy the clear, and I have used the Duo and the Kiss strip lash adhesive. I also have this other one, Eye Glue. I think this is from Kiss as well. Yeah, this is the Eye Glue premium lash strip adhesive. This has like menthol in it. I do not like this one at all. This Kiss strip lash adhesive with aloe, this is probably my favorite strip lash adhesive out there compared to the Duo. This has really nice staying power. It's very gentle on the eyes. I don't have a problem with it coming off. It also removes very easily with you know, makeup remover and things like that. It's not that I don't like the duo adhesive, it's just that I had found it a little bit hard to work with. It clumped up on my lashes a lot, it was a little bit harder to remove, and it bothered my eyes. Like if I was wearing my lashes the whole day, like I often do when I'm doing a makeup look, the duo adhesive just really bothered my lash line, and it was really hard to like wear my lashes throughout the day. Unlike the Kiss with the aloe, this one just really is gentle on the eyes, it's quick drying, it applies very nicely, and I don't feel like it clumps around the opening as much as the duo, but you'll always have a little bit of drying or anything like that. So that's it. Those are my recommendations. I will link everything down in the description box below. I just wanted to talk a little bit about some of my favorite lashes. I know that Halloween is coming up, and that is a big time for people to buy makeup that they may not generally wear on an everyday basis, which includes lashes. But yeah, I would highly recommend you going to your Dollar Tree and scoping out the Ioni lashes if they have them, and then if not, going with like a Kiss lash brand or something like that. I will link all of these lashes and products in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. What are your favorite drugstore brand lashes? Let me know all of that. I love a good recommendation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos.